What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. It is day number 3 for the 7-day Goodwill thrifting challenge. It's about 10:40 in the morning. I was removing all the footage off my camera and getting ready to go. So we're still gonna get there right around the same time. So far, 3 days, 3 same times. First 2 days, we did come out pretty good. Is the third day gonna break that slump? It's a Wednesday. I assume they put stuff out every single day, so the odds of us finding something should be just as good. Let's get out of here and see if we can find stuff to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. You know it, let's go. I took the van today, guys, so hopefully we have a lot of room to get a lot of cool things at Goodwill. Oh, look at a cart for me. That is perfect. See what they got. All right, gotta check out the media first. And the NBA 2K games, of course, are still here. How to Break Dance Volume 1. That is interesting. Very cool. I doubt it's worth anything, but you never know. I'm not seeing anything new from yesterday at all. There are some cassette tapes, but nothing that seems new. You never know, though. Take a quick look. What's this? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Complete Final Season. That's kind of cool. We'll look that up. I think this Game Party 2 is empty. It's been there for a while. And here's another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We have here final chapters. I looked this up the other day. No money in it. Nothing. Okay, we will check this out. All right, just scanned it in, and the low price is $2.13. It's $2, so that will stay here with that stuff. And I'm not seeing any new media. So let's go check out the electronics. The electronics could be good today because, well, I don't think I found a single actual electronic item these past 2 days. Who knows? The electronics aisle is very full, so we're gonna come around here. See if there's any. What's this? We got some little Munchkin diaper changing kit, brand new. It's kind of interesting. $2. We'll look that up. Let's scan it in. All right, scan it with the Amazon seller app and see. Oh, I'm restricted. Let's see if I get ungated. Oh, there we go. Cool. So I can sell it. So see what it says. $14.75 makes $6.86, so it's a quick $4.80. Not bad. That'll stay right there. Super lightweight. Shipping, I get the question a lot. People say, well, what about shipping on this? It's going to cost me maybe $0.25 to ship into Amazon, so it's not bad at all. What else do we have here? Are these the same Batman stickers from yesterday? Yeah. It's a cool Dunkin' mug. Alright, electronics, come on. The electronics section was still too busy, so moved over here, see if anything new came out. I found some really good things yesterday. Don't know if that's going to be the case today. What's this, Joe versus the volcano? It's broken. Oh, here we go. We got a Sonic game for $2. Sonic and the Secret Rings. It's not a very valuable game, and it's empty, so that's cool. Somebody probably brought it over here to steal it. So it's very possible. It happens all the time. Not seeing anything new, sadly, though. Nothing new. This thing's kind of cool. It's $8. It's not really for resale, but look at that. It's on like a Lazy Susan. It's a good file organizer. It takes up, I mean, it's kind of big, but it'd be nice for a corner desk. Might get it for myself. I don't know. Do I really need all this space though? Probably not. It would help my organization though. I could put all my different paper types in here. I think I'm gonna grab this for the office at $8. I feel like this has got to be normally at least like 20 to 30, right? So that could go in there because I could use that for sure. What else do we got going on? You know, I haven't checked the records in a long time, but it's because it's a lot of these same old, really old, nothing interesting stuff. It's really nothing good. So that stuff, Pat Boone's Greatest Hits. It's not even in there, it's empty. Okay. I don't know. Hey, sit and spins. I've actually done really well selling these, and this is the one that lights up. Batteries are dead, unless, yeah. Seems to work good. Yeah, sit and spin. I've sold this, but it's a little faded, it's a little scuffed up. It's not horrible, but I don't really feel like shipping it anytime soon, so I'll leave that here. Why not? All right, over here in the electronics section, we did find two new things. We got a Xbox 360 controller, $5. Same thing with the PS2 controller for $5. PS2 one actually might be worth it. I actually need a couple for systems, but this, on the other hand, $5 is really gross and grimy. Color of the joysticks is all off. Take a look at this. This is the deciding factor. Exploded batteries inside. It's all rusted on the wire up there. So, you know, it just doesn't seem worth it. Especially with these messed up joysticks. They're so gross. So I'll leave that, but I think I will grab this. This seems pretty clean. Actually, that button seems off. Are they supposed to feel like that? Why does that feel so weird? There might be something sticky in there. Huh. That feels good. Maybe that's how the triggers felt. I haven't used a PS2 controller in a while. We'll give it a shot. They have a 2-day return on electronics. The triggers are actually too messed up on this thing. The back triggers are not working correctly, I could tell, so that's gonna stay behind. But what is this? An Energizer weather ready for $3? Let's look this up. All right, so I scanned in the Energizer on Amazon. It has a really good rank. It sells really fast, but I'd only make $2 on it. Let's see. It's because one person's undercutting by $1. He's gonna sell out, and then I'll double my money. I'll make a quick $3 on it. I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know. This I'm only making like 4 on, but I'm only paying 2, so I will grab that. But I'll leave that one behind. What I'm gonna do is actually scan through a bunch of CDs and hope we at least find enough here today to pay this off. Today's not looking like a great day here, which, you know, that happens if I come every single day. We'll also check the clothing. I haven't checked clothing in a long time, so who knows? Maybe once I scan through this stuff and we go back there, could be good. So look at that. That looks interesting. So yeah, we'll just scan through a bunch of these and see if we find anything. All right, so I've been scanning through all these and we actually found one. This guy right here, they're all only $1, and this guy is selling for $11.38. You'd make $5.17 after fees, so I'll make about $4 on it. So there we go, 4 and 4, that's 8. Pays that thing off, so that's cool. And not seeing much else here. What's this? Frog Frenzy. Episode 2, A Jungle Safari Adventure. Looks interesting. I doubt that's worth anything though, so yeah, let's go check out the clothes, I think. So I'm flipping through some clothes here, and there's a reason why I never really shop clothes. It's just all basic stuff, like this Nautica for $8, Banana Republic t-shirt for $8, Eddie Bauer just plain blue t-shirt, $8. I mean, what's this, $8 for a J. Crew t-shirt? I mean, it's just obviously not worth it. There's a little jersey for $8. It's an old Eddie Lacy jersey. It's kind of cool, but it's a children's large. I don't know. Not really seeing too much. Here's a cool little Lilo and Stitch shirt. $8 though. Seems like $8 is the theme with t-shirts. Seems kind of expensive. It says $3.99 and up, but there's not many that are $3.99. So, you know, even this little, tiny little children's Reebok for $8. I mean, blue is half off today. Where is it? Where does it say it? I don't know where the thing is, but blue is half. Oh, there we go. Right over there. Blue is 50% off. Still not worth it though. All right, so a super slow day at Goodwill. This is all we got. We got the CD, the little munchkin thing, and this organizer. At least I got myself something that I need, and I paid it all for free. $8, these equal just over $8, so I'll take it. Why not, right? We'll close this up, head inside and head out. So yeah guys, that is just the reality of going to the same place every day, and that's why I'm showing you guys that, you know, the first 2 days were great, this day not so much, but I still found some things, still found some new things, so I guess that's all right. Hopefully tomorrow is better. Maybe my time isn't a great time to be going. I'm going at between 10:30 and 11 in the morning. I figure they open at 9 a.m. so that gives them time to put some stuff out, and while I was in there shopping, there was a lady walking around with a cart putting things on shelves, so I am getting there while they're putting stuff out, which is good. Maybe if I went later in the day after more stuff had been put out would be good, but at the same time, a lot of people have probably already been in there by 5, 6. They actually close at 7 o'clock here at this Goodwill, so maybe earlier is better, later is better. I'm gonna stick to the same time. We still have a few more days to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, this is Thrift School signing out. See ya.